what's up guys? My name is Cheyenne and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how the hell to stop being broke. And just take one thing out of this video and implement it into your life and you will have the stuff that you want to have. So I'm going to teach you guys in just a few simple steps of what I did to stop being broke. January 20th, 2019, I had $700. December 3rd, 2019, my boyfriend and I left for a 3-month adventure to go live in Thailand off of our savings. If I can do it, you can do it. And this is how I did it. Which, by the way, I was a server and a bartender this past year. So first of all, you need to have a goal. Okay, you can say, I'm saving money for what? What do you want to do? What's so important to you in your life that you're willing to sacrifice to do this, okay? So make a goal, whether that's travel, a car, a fly-ass wardrobe, whatever it is, make a goal and think about it every single day. So let's say that you decided that you want to go fly to see your best friend over the summertime, and summertime is like 2 months away. You budget that with a plane ticket, spending money, renting a car, yada yada, whatever it may be, that's going to cost you $1,000. You need to do that math, put it in the work, crunch the numbers, and figure it out, because that's the first step after deciding a goal, is to figure out how much it's actually going to be. If you have a job where you get paid every 2 weeks, all you need to do is think about $1,000 divided by 4 paychecks, which is 2 months worth of paychecks, and realize that you only need to save $250 every 2 weeks. To really save effectively, you need to create a budget. Go through your month and think about all the things you have to pay for and your income. Now, you need to think about all of your bills, your rent, your utilities, your car insurance, the gas, the groceries, all of that, all your subscriptions, your Hulu, your Netflix, your whatever it is. I budgeted going out money for if it was somebody's birthday, if we're doing a celebration, if I'm going to go see my dad, anything like that. You need that little extra leeway so that 2 things. So you can forgive yourself a little bit if you do spend some money. You're not like, it's coming out of my savings. No, you don't have to feel guilty. You are allowed to spend just a little bit of money, depending on your specific situations. But I would allow myself just a little bit and then end up not using it half the time anyways. All right, now that you have your goal, you're gonna have to think about, what can I give up, okay? Do you get Starbucks every day? That's $7. How long do you have to work to get $7, okay? Do you get minimum wage? So you have to work almost an hour to get 1 single Starbucks? Yeah. No, that's ridiculous. Cut that shit out. You don't need that. You can make coffee at home that's not 600 calories and $7. A concept. Coffee at home will cost you 20 cents to make. All you have to do is be a little disciplined and get up a little earlier to make yourself a cup. Buy yourself a to-go cup. Save the planet, save you some freaking money. Easy. Okay? You can do that. Cut that shit out. If you can't cut, cold, do it once a week. You do not need to go to Starbucks, to go to your coffee shop, to go out every day. Stop going out to eat. Stop. Cane's is so good. Believe me, dude. We had a Cane's on our way home. Every single day I'd be getting off work and go, damn, that Cane's, no, Thailand. Because to me, Cane's is freaking delicious. The man, that sauce. But that shit lasts for 20 minutes. This memory, being here, this is lasting a lifetime. Just stop going out to eat. Stop getting all your drinks. Cut back just a little bit, and you're going to see how much it is. Just think about this math, okay? If you go to Starbucks every day on your way to class, so this Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes, right, 3 times, that's $21 a week. Times that by 4, that's like $88. Times that by 12. If you times that by 12, that's a plane ticket right there to pretty much anywhere in the world. If you just cut back on Starbucks, you have the money, it's hidden. So besides not just going out to eat or not stopping to get that drink, when your friends invite you to go places, I know it's really hard. Hey man, you want to meet me up at the Chili's? They're having happy hour. And you say, damn, that sounds so good. I had a crappy Wednesday. I'll meet you there. Listen, The drinks are gonna make you fat. The food is not that damn good. And would you rather have a car? Would you rather have a trip? Would you rather have whatever it is? You have to think about that. Stop giving into life, just living life, and start giving into your dreams. When you have a goal in mind, okay, it can scare other people, right? You might not think that, okay, you wanting a car is a big dream, but to other people, it can make them feel like you're trying to be better than them, that your life is just not good enough how it is, that you can't just be thankful and grateful for what you already have, right? Yes, you're thankful that your legs work, but you'd be a lot happier with the car. Do not feel guilty for your dreams. Never feel guilty for the things that you want. Never feel guilty for wanting to have money, okay? Don't ever let anybody make you feel guilty for that. Yes, you can still enjoy your life. Does not mean that you have to be ungrateful and that you're a brat and that you're a big corporate greedy asshole. Look at J.K. Rowling. She has donated millions upon millions of dollars that she lost her billionaire status because she is so kind that she donates all her money. Look at all the celebrities around the world that donate money to the Australian fires, to the cathedral fires, to big causes. Think about those people. Next time somebody's like, oh, money's the root of all evil. No, assholes and greed are the root of all evil. Money is a wonderful thing. Do not feel bad for wanting to get it, to get the shit that you want. So do not let other people interfere with your dreams. I'm gonna tell you this. At the very beginning of 2017, I was dating somebody who didn't want to travel at all. But it was my dream to go places. I remember New Year's Eve 2017 saying to myself, I'm going to take myself to Ireland this year. I'm doing it. I don't know how, but I'm going to do that. I got on Pinterest and I started pinning all the places I was going to go to, all the food I was going to have, all the sites I was going to see. I got 4 jobs. I was already a nursing assistant, so I worked 3 days a week, 12-hour shifts. I didn't make a whole lot. I made a little bit more than minimum wage. I got a waitressing job from one of my girlfriends who was also a CNA. And I worked there pretty much every other day. I wasn't working at the hospital. And one day while I was getting my hair done, I saw a commercial for a dog walking agency, and I thought, I could do that in my spare time because I wanted to travel so bad. I wanted to go somewhere so bad. And I sell unique makeup still to this day. And so I had 4 jobs, and that is what funded me to get my ass to Europe. And that's how I went to Italy, Austria, Switzerland, Germany, France, back to Germany, and to Ireland in a 20-day trip. I did that. I pushed myself to work my ass off and save. And you can do it too. When there is a will, there's a way. There's no other way I can tell you that, okay? So do not let anyone else interfere with your dreams. Now I'm dating somebody who helped me get to Thailand. We both have common goals and common dreams. Find your tribe. You know it. You know where these people are. Find them. Just put it out there, and they will come. Be willing to let people go to continue to chase your dreams. That doesn't mean they're going to leave, but be willing to want what you want more than you want a friendship that might hold you down. Most likely, those friends are going to come with you anyways. And if they don't, then you're not your true friends. I used to go out after I turned 21 just about every weekend. I had a group of friends that we went out all the time, texting, Snapchatting, hey, what's up, what's good? We're going to go out this weekend? Oh, yes. Those people were not my friends. They were nice, but we had different things, different goals. The only thing in common was drinking. I still wish them the best, but they're not my people. So I know you people may be thinking like, but I look forward to getting my Starbucks every morning before class. It makes it bearable. I love going out to dinner with my friends. I love shopping. Clothes make me so happy. Okay? What is more important to you? Momentary happiness or your dreams? Are you going to be happy with a new pair of shoes? Hell yeah. Who's not? But are you going to be happy with maybe 4 less pairs of shoes and an awesome pair of Chacos? Walking around an island? I know I am. You need to decide what your big goal is and stick with it. Do not let the fears of anything else tell you like, oh, but you can never do that. But you can never achieve this. You can achieve anything you want to do. If you want to move out, do it. You can do that. Yeah, making rent isn't the most fun thing, but then you get the freedom of your entire life to do literally whatever. If you want a car, think about how big of a radius that takes you. You can drive a car to the next state. You can drive a car to the game. You can drive a car to wherever the hell you want to drive a car to. Don't feel bad for wanting a car. Don't feel bad for wanting to travel. Don't feel bad for wanting anything that you want. This is how you stop being broke. Okay, another tip on how to stop being broke and living paycheck to paycheck. Pay down your credit cards. I know that sounds really hard, okay? As someone who has had to pay down a credit card, these are my tips. Pay down more than a minimum balance every month. A minimum balance is like the BS that they're like, hey, you could just barely pay this off and look at you, you're paying off your thing, and then bam, interest. Don't do it. Pay extra because that money is going to be saved in the long run. If you have $1,000 on your credit card and you pay the minimum like $50 a month, you're going to gain $30 a month in interest charges. You only paid $20 off. And then that extra $30 interest is just going to keep collecting interest. So pay off a little bit extra and you will thank yourself, because then whenever your credit card is completely off, you're going to feel amazing. I've paid off an entire credit card. Victoria's Secret with their damn bras. Don't fall into that trap. Don't even open the extra credit card. I have 2 credit cards right now and I don't even use them. I use them to pay them off so that I can get credit. That's it. I put gas on there. I haven't put anything actually on my credit card since I came to Thailand. To help you see how much money you are actually saving and putting aside, set up a separate savings account. If you have Chase, you can easily do it online. I set up 2 separate accounts on my Chase app itself. It's kick-ass to see that number in another little separate box growing. My savings account is set up so that every 2 weeks it automatically takes out about $30 from my paycheck. That's not enough money to miss, and it's enough money that it grows. And also whenever I would get a fat check, that'd be a little bit more than I expected, I would cut that and put the extra into my savings so that I wouldn't miss it at all. Anytime I'd come across an extra $100 or something, I'd get fat tips that night, I'd put that money directly into my savings, because if I had enough money to cover my bills, then what else do I need this money for? Put it into a separate savings to watch it grow and get excited about your goals and dreams. Plus, savings account earns interest. I mean, it might be a cent a year, but hey, that's really cool. Like, to get money because you have money. If you're planning on saving long term, I also have a Credit Karma savings account where they have an even higher interest rate for your savings. If you're looking to have multiple savings accounts, I have 3 savings accounts. Here's a recap of absolutely everything I just talked about. Stop eating and drinking out. You don't need to do it. Eat at home. You're just paying for convenience. Don't let anybody else tell you that your dreams ain't shit, because they ain't shit. Remember that momentary happiness of getting a Starbucks or getting those new shoes right now does not compare anything to your ass being on a beach in Spain, drinking wine in France, sitting in your new car, or sitting in your own apartment with a cat on your lap. Pay down your credit card. Interest is not your friend. Pick up a 2nd, 3rd, 4th job. Get you a side hustle, make extra money in the hours that you have in a day, and open up a separate savings account for all the extra moolah you're about to be getting. And remember that you can do this because there is nothing more special about me than there is about you. So why do I get to achieve my dreams and you don't? Because you do. When there's a will, there's a way, and you got it. Alright, please make sure to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more kick-ass videos on how the hell to do stuff. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.